Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about implicit differentiation. So now I will show you how to answer. So we put first derivative for the both sides. Next, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So, we need to do first derivative of x multiplied by this one plus first derivative of this one multiplied by x. Similar for this one. So first derivative of x, we have number 1. First derivative of this one, we have first derivative of y over number 2 with the square root of y plus 1. Now, this one we have first derivative of y. This one we have 1 over 2 with the square root of x plus 1. Next, I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the right. Next, we can do about factorization by first derivative of y. Next, we divide both sides by this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.